Hello everyone, welcome to MASA Military. One of the recent weapons that shines on the Ukrainian battlefield is the M142 HIMARS multiple rocket launcher, which has become a nightmare for the Russian infantry. From June 2022, HIMARS will begin to arrive in Ukraine and become the most popular long-range strike weapon for Ukrainian troops. The United States has so far assisted Ukraine with more than 40 vehicles, and other European countries have also assisted the country with more than a dozen M270s. After the emergence of HIMARS, the advantages of the Ukrainian battlefield changed. The United States launched the M270 multiple launch rocket system in the 1980s, but because of the use of tracked launch vehicles, the total weight reached 20 tons, and tactical transport aircraft such as the C-130 could not be transported. Only large transport aircraft could be used for air transport so that it could not be launched quickly and remotely, focusing on the global deployment of the US military. The lightweight HIMARS was developed. It entered service in the 1990s and has become the current main rocket launcher. HIMARS uses a modular rocket launcher with a caliber of 227 millimeters. A launch box can carry 6 rockets or 1 MGM-140 Army tactical missile. It only takes a few minutes to change the launch box directly after launch, which greatly shortens the loading time. The storage of rockets in the launch box is also more stable, and they can be stored up to 10 years. Ukrainian troops use guided multiple launch rockets to frequently attack ammunition depots, command posts, barracks, and armored units on the Russian front, causing huge losses to the Russian army. Ukraine credits HIMARS for playing a key role in turning the tide of war. Ukrainian forces made significant headway in a counteroffensive last September, recapturing much of a strategic city in northeastern Ukraine from Russian forces and cutting off a major Russian supply line near the eastern city of Izyum. At that time, the Ukrainian army used Western weapons such as HIMARS to attack Russia's supply lines and front line positions. Because the range of the rocket does not exceed 50 miles, HIMARS as an open platform can launch a variety of longer range weapons, including Army Tactical Missile System, or ATACMS, Extended Range Guided Multiple Rocket System, or ER GMLRS, Ground Launched Small Diameter Bomb, or GLSDB, and Army Precision Strike Missile, or PrSM. Boeing and Sweden's Saab have been developing the Ground-Launched Small Diameter Bomb, the GLSDB system, since 2019. It is a small diameter bomb, or SDB, mounted on an M26 rocket with a range of up to 93 miles or 150 kilometers. M26 is a rocket with a range of 32 kilometers. It is a very common rocket in the United States and can be combined with a variety of warheads. Both the HIMARS and the M270 can launch it. GLSDBs can be launched through the hippocampus, and then its SDB glides in the air, guided by GPS, and finally hits the target accurately. So far, 2 generations of SDBs have been produced. The first generation product is called the GBU-39, which is used to destroy fixed targets on the ground. It uses inertial guidance and GPS guidance, and the hit accuracy is 5 to 8 meters. There is also a laser-guided variant, the GBU-39BB, also known as the LSDB. The second generation SDB is called GBU-53B SDB-2. It's equipped with a GPS millimeter wave radar, infrared imaging 3-in-1 seeker, used to attack active targets on the ground and water such as tanks, military vehicles, or ships. The hit accuracy has also been increased to 1 meter. GBU-53B also has an added 2-way data link, which can receive new location information of the target from other platforms, or attack new targets. Another feature of SDBs is its low cost. A GBU-39 costs only $40,000 US. GLSDBs are already equipped with M26 rocket boosters. The existing M26 rockets have been eliminated ever since 2005. There are still a lot of rocket boosters that can be reused after retirement, so the price of a GLSDB will not be expensive. The Precision Strike Missile, or PrSM, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a ground-to-ground, ground-to-sea, all-weather precision strike missile that can be integrated into the rocket launcher of the M20 and M142 Seahorse to replace the MGM-140 ATACMS. And because the diameter of these precision strike missiles is smaller than that of the ATACMS, each launch box can accommodate 2 PrSMs, twice as many as ATACMS. A HIMARS can carry 2 PrSMs, while a tracked M270 can carry 4. Although the PrSM is smaller than the ATACMS, its range has been extended due to technological advances, and it can attack targets within a range of 37 to 403 miles, or 60 to 650 kilometers. The ATACMS has a range of only 190 miles. Because of the United States' withdrawal from the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty, the range of the PrSM will be increased beyond the 499 kilometers limitation previously placed upon it by the treaty. Advancements in design and a potential ramjet engine could extend the weapon's range up to 1,000 kilometers. The U.S. Army's Long Range Precision Fires, or LRPF, said that PrSM is not only a significant improvement in attack effectiveness, but also costs less than ATACMS. Its warhead power has the same effect as ATACMS. It has a multi-mode seeker that can be used against moving land and sea targets. The multi-mode seeker has multiple sensors, including thermal, radar, television, laser, and even more. The combined use of these signal sensors gives this missile an excellent hit accuracy. Existing HIMARS rockets can also target maritime targets using the new MLRS rocket seeker, but only the PrSM can target moving ships. The PrSM was originally designed to take over from HIMARS against moving targets at sea. PrSM is a game changer and power multiplier with huge potential. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support MASA Military. See you next time.